Hello Leo, hope you're all doing well. Thank you for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. In today's reading, let's take a look at your romantic love life for this week of May 2024. Tingnan natin ang romantic intention ng inyong new person. Person that you are currently dealing with or a returning person sa buhay mo. Let's see what's happening or what will happen this week. Pwede nyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Thank you, Leo. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect this week. The way you love. Okay. Irreplaceable. The way you love can never be matched. Okay? So, ikaw lang talaga, Leo, ang nagustuhan niya ng person mo. Siguro marami na rin tong nakilala or na-meet, but then, or marami na rin siya mga ex-girlfriends or girlfriend. Okay? Pero para sa kanya, ikaw pa rin yung nangunguna. Okay? Iba yung pagmamahal na binibigay mo, Leo. Masaya siya sa'yo. Okay. Maybe you are very caring, nurturing. Okay. Maalalahanin sa kanya. Ikaw lang yung taong gusto niya, Leo. New chapter. I am trying to move on. Okay. For some of you, you are moving on. Maybe this person betrays you, okay? Kaya kayo nagkahiwalay, nagkaroon ng separation na nangyari, okay? Siguro nasaktan ka, merong pagsisinungaling. Nalaman mo na meron siyang ibang kinakausap, okay? Or kino-communicate na hindi mo alam na sekreto, Leo. And now you're trying to move on from that pain, okay? From that betrayal and lies. You are moving on from that person. Time. I am afraid it's too late to take action. Okay? So this person wants to come back to you, okay? And make up with you. Want to make things right. Kung ano yung mga pagkakamali niya, gusto niya mag-explain. Sabihin sa'yo na nagbago na siya. Okay. Gusto niya bumalik ka sa kanya. Gusto niyang bumalik sa'yo. But then, it's too late. Okay. Nawawalan siya ng pag-asa. Feeling niya, you're closing your doors already, Leo. Destiny, I am struggling to find the right path. Okay? Maybe before, hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin, anong gusto niya. Marami siyang pangarap, na marami siyang gustong abutin. Okay? Pero sa work niya, may nahabol na promotion. Okay? Or hindi niya alam kung anong field ang gusto niya. Okay? Baka hindi siya kontento sa career niya or sa trabaho niya, sa company, and gusto niya ng ibang company, mas maganda yung benefits and all. Gusto niya mag-abroad and hindi niya na napapansin or nabibigyan ng atensyon ang inyong relationship, okay? So, siguro this person may problema sa personality niya. Parang hindi niya pa gaano alam yung sarili niya, kung anong direksyon yung gusto niya. Okay? Gusto niya mag-improve sa career. Gusto niya magtagumpay. Okay? Sa work niya. But then, hindi niya na nabibigyan ng atensyon. Ikaw or ang relationship. Okay? Parang pag magkasama kayo, iba yung nasa isip niya. Imbis na magkaroon kayo ng quality time, pero yung sa isip niya ay sa trabaho. Okay? Pagpapayaman. Okay? Or busy kakaisip kung ano pa yung mga pwede niyang gawin to improve his life or her life. Okay? Tingnan natin yung tarot. Love situation for Leo, please. Messages for Leo. Romantic love situation. Leo. Leo. Merong lies, betrayal, okay? Merong mga tinatago sa inyo na hindi nyo alam, okay? This is how he feels about you, okay? Na parang may nililihim ka, may ginagawa kang hindi niya alam, okay? Okay. He feels that you are being strategic, okay, sa relationship ninyo. You are ambitious in your life and in your career, okay? He wants to have a new beginning with you. He wants some changes in your relationship, Leo. Meron din siyang hinahanap na gusto niya, okay? Or fulfillment in his or her personal life, okay? He or she wants to have freedom. Gusto niyang magawa yung gusto niya while at the same time being with you. Okay? Yeah, so pinapakita niya sa inyo that he is moving forward para ma-reach yung goals niya, okay? Okay. Hinahanap niya yung sarili niya, okay? Because he is struggling nga kung ano yung path, kung anong direksyon ng buhay niya. Meron din siyang mga ambisyon. Maybe you're not giving him or her attention as well, and that he is also living to find fulfillment for him or herself. Okay, Leo. He wants change. He or she wants change. Okay? In the relationship, sa career niya, sa trabaho niya, okay? Yeah, you feel that this person has a lot of plans, okay? But you are not included in his or her plans. You feel that this person is cold. Hindi ka pinapansin, okay? Lumalamig na ang inyong relationship. Puro siya planning or may mga iniisip siya about improvement sa trabaho niya or sa direction niya. Okay? Yung taong to ay laging nasa isip niya lang, okay? Hindi niya ina-express kung anong nararamdaman niya, ano yung nasa isip niya. Hindi siya ganun ka-expressive sa feelings niya. This is how you see him. This is how you feel about him or her. Okay? Malaki yung ambisyon, gusto ng direksyon sa buhay. This person thinks that you are doing something na hindi niya alam. Okay? You are being wise and strategic at the same time. He's taking it negatively. He or she feels that you are parang magaling ka sa iyong ginagawa sa trabaho mo. Okay? He or she feels that you are better than him or her. Okay? Yeah. Hindi siya gumagawa ng paraan para maayos yung relationship ninyo. Okay? Yung challenge is parang stagnant or walang growth ang relationship. And this is something na hindi umuubra sa inyo. Okay? Because you are operating with heart, Leo. And this person is not communicating with you. Ang dami siyang iniisip, okay? And parang stagnant. The problem is stagnant ang relationship, okay? Walang nangyayari, walang happenings, walang excitement. May sariling issues yung partner ninyo na hindi mo alam. Okay? And that is something that you want to know because gusto mong tulungan siya. Okay, Leo? But you know, there is big love. Mahal nyo ang isa't isa. Okay? You have so much to offer. Kung maging open lang siya and expressive sa nararamdaman niya or sa nangyayari sa kanya sa trabaho, sa family niya, okay? Mahal ka niya, Leo, and mahal mo rin siya. Malalim yung pagmamahal ninyo, malalim yung pinagsamahan ninyo, but then again, you want expression from him or her side. Okay? Malaki yung puso ninyo, Leo. Kung nagsasabi lang siya, baka matutulungan nyo pa. Magsasabi lang siya kung anong problema niya, okay? Anong plans niya. Matutulungan mo siya, Leo, but then, parang tikom yung bibig, okay? Lagi lang siyang nasa isip. Parang siya lang yung nagpa-plans para sa sarili niya. You are not included, okay? Hindi ka niya ini-engage or ini-involve sa environment niya or sa ginagawa niya. Okay, Leo? Kailangan lang talaga pag-usapan na mag-open up ang inyong partner o yung person ninyo. Okay? Kailangan linawin yung mga bagay, maging open up or transparent sa isa't isa. If you can express or talk to him that way, Leo, encourage him or her to be transparent, be open, and that pwede mo siyang matulungan. Okay. Let's see kung ano yung mga hidden messages, anong gustong sabihin sa inyo ng person ninyo. Hidden messages. Wait. Hidden messages. I wish I had treated you better. Okay? So, aware siya. Alam niya yung mga pagkukulang niya. Okay? Mga pagkukulang niya sa inyo. Alam niya na ini-ignore ka niya or hindi ka niya ini-involve. sa mga whereabouts niya. I wonder if you are happy without me. Okay. So, nag-iisip din siya. Okay. Kung masaya ka ba, kung wala siya. Okay. Kung importante ba siya sa'yo. I am not available. Yeah. He or she knows that he is not always there for you. Lagi siyang busy, madami siyang ginagawa, na-ignore ka. Finding out the truth crushed me. Okay, maybe you're also doing something. Okay. Okay, na pag ginagawa mo yon, naiinis siya. Nare-realize niya yung mga kamalian niya at pagkukulang. I want you. Gusto ka niya, Leo. I want to feel that way again. So, siguro gusto niya i-revive uli yung relationship ninyo. Okay, kung ano kayo dati. Okay, merong excitement, laughter. Okay. So, that's it, Leo. Yun yung mga messages para sa inyo. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye.